Hello, my name is Huang. The name of my project is a database management project, online League of Legends database application. There's only one person in my team, which is me, and my NU ID is 0017250220. My goal of this project is to build a web-based database system so that users will be benefit from data collection and information sharing efficiency. Now let's go to the slides. And the problem statement is composed of 6 parts, which are user data management, domain model, user modeling and relations, aggregation and composition, generalization, and user interface. So about the user data management, allow user to register, log in, log out the application, and user can choose to be admin or normal user. The domain is an online game League of Legends champions data, which has champion's ID, champion's name, title, blurb, and lore. And user can comment and like any champions. The champion is composed of ID, name, title, blurb, and lore. Delete any of these fields will not result in deleting the champion. In addition, if we delete the champion, the comments related to that champion will be removed as well. There are 2 kinds of users, normal user and admin user. Normal user can only search, comment, and like. However, except for those features, admin user can update, delete any data in the database. And the user interface composed of registration, login, logout, search, like champion parts. There are 10 use cases which are listed here. And about the technology, I use the web API by JWS and JPA ORM to create retrieve data and delete data in database, and create local pages by using Tomcat connection and developing some JSP files. And this is the web API which I used in my project. And this web API provides plenty of data like champion information, games data, rules, descriptions, and so on. And finally, here's a class diagram. There are 2 kinds of users, which is a normal user and admin user. And the user can like the champion also. The admin user and normal user can comment on any champions. So here's a screenshot of my UI pages. Now let's go to the demo. Here's the login page. If I don't have account, just click the login button. That will redirect to the registration pages. Now we just register for an account, and we choose to be the admin user. So I click the add, and here's my account. And when I get back to the login page, I just type in my username and password. If I type the password incorrectly, that will show that username and password combination is not found. So if I correctly type the password and username, we will go. We went to the next page, which is here's a search button, profile button, and logout. Let's click the search button. We can search a champion by ID, such as we want to search the champion, which ID is 1, and we type our username. Click the search button. We can get this champion, which is the name of the champion is Annie, and the title is the Dark Child. And so now we are the admin user. We can click this button, so we will get the champion's details, which is a blurb and lore of the champions. And in addition, we can click the comment button, and here's some of the comment about all the champions. Now we can in addition make a comment about this champion Annie, which I love this champion. And when I click the create button, and here's comment I made about this champion. And as a admin user, I can delete all the comments about the champion. So if I click the delete button, the comment disappeared. Now let's go back to the search page, and if we select this champion and click like, we can like that champions. So when we went back to the profile page, we can see that the champion of our account like this champion, which name is Annie. And now we can also delete or update the champion. Now we can, if we click the select button, and we change the name, we change the title of this champion, which is we change it to the dark, and we click the update button. And when I search that champions again, we can see that the title of these champions has been changed. And we can also delete that champions. But if I click the为什么不能 delete？